Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here with a Kerala cuisine. It's mutton stew in its authentic way. It has lovely aroma and so is its taste. My family loves this stew because it's not too spicy. It has a peculiar richness in its taste. So do try it out. So the ingredients are you need 2 bay leaf, 2 cloves, 2 cinnamon, 2 cardamom. Then you need 2 chopped tomatoes, 3 onions sliced, 1 big potato and 2 carrots, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 6 green chilies crushed, mine were small green chilies, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon fennel powder roasted, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon Kerala garam masala. I will give the ingredients of it in the description box. Do check it out. 10 cashews soaked in water for 15 minutes and grinded to paste. Half kg mutton, boneless. 2.5 cups of third time squeezed coconut milk, extract diluted with water. 1.5 cups of second time thin coconut milk, 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Here I took 1 full coconut, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil you need, and salt 2 tablespoons. In a heated pan, pour in oil, then the whole spices. You need to saute them for 10 seconds and then you can add in the onions. You can add in some curry leaves now, but my kids don't like that flavor, so I skipped it. Saute the onions till they turn golden brown. Now they are done. Next, add in the ginger garlic paste. Saute them till the raw smell goes. Now add in the green chilies crushed. Saute that for a minute. Now add in some tomatoes. Saute them till they get mushy. Then add salt. Now after adding the salt, just give it a stir and add in half glass of water. Now close it with the lid and keep it for 5 minutes covered. Then open the lid and add in the mutton pieces. Saute them till the color changes. Cover the lid again and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes in low flame. Now open the lid and add in the spices. That's fennel powder, coriander powder, pepper powder, garam masala, and saute them for a while. Now you can add in the potatoes and carrots. Saute them for a minute. Now add in the third coconut milk. Pour 2 glasses of warm water to the coconut pieces in a blender. Grind it to a fine paste. Then filter it to get thin coconut milk. Now add the second coconut milk. Give a stir and close the lid. Here the mutton is very tender, so 3 to 4 whistles is enough. Switch off the flame after 10 minutes. Open the lid. You get lovely aroma of the spices. Now you can add in the cashew nut paste. Then check whether your mutton is cooked or not. Mine is cooked. Finally, add in the thick coconut milk. When you add in the thick coconut milk, it should not boil for a long time. just one boil is enough, then you should switch off the flame or else it would curdle. After switching off the flame, add in the coriander leaves, give it a stir, and your stew is ready to be served. Transfer it to a serving bowl. This creamy mutton stew goes well with ghee rice, patri, idiyappam, dosa. You will definitely love the taste. Do try and give me your feedback. Thank you all. Keep watching for more videos.